Welcome back to this channel. My name is Doris Kimuyu and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Ayurvedic hair mask that I was using when I started my hair growth journey. This is something that I was using consistently from 2021 up to now 2025. I'm still using it. This is my current hair growth length. I started from shoulder length in 2021 and now this is where my hair is. And so these are my Ayurvedic herbs that I was using. So this is black seeds powder. This is neem powder. This is shikakai powder. This is hibiscus powder. This is fenugreek powder. This is brigrette powder. This is mint powder. This is moringa powder. This is ashwagandha powder. This is amla powder. This is rosemary powder. And this is aloe vera powder. And those are my herbs that I have been using. So the first thing is to mix your herbs together. And by the way, these are not the only Ayurvedic herbs that you can use on your hair. But for me, I honestly do love these herbs. And so there are so many Ayurvedic herbs out there. Research and find out what your hair likes and mix the herbs that you would love to apply on your hair, because at the end of the day, what my hair loves is not what your hair loves, but the benefits that the herbs have, they are going to benefit your hair. So I'm going to mix my herbs. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. And then another thing, when I am done mixing these herbs, I'm not going to put water immediately. I normally sieve the herbs because there are those particles that I don't want them to be left on my hair. So I have to sieve the powder so that I get something smooth. And now the smooth powder that I'm going to use, that is what now the smooth powder that I'm going to get after I sieve, now that is what I'm going to make the mask with. My mixture is ready, as you can see, and now it's time for me to sieve it. As you can see, there is a difference. This is now the particles. All these particles were in that first powder. And you can see the smooth product, the smooth final product that I have. You can see for yourself the difference between these two. As you can see, these particles, now when they remain on your hair, you will have a lot of difficulty washing them. And so that is why I will advise you first ensure that you sieve your powder to get this kind of a smooth product. Imagine all these particles sticking on your hair. You are going to spend a lot of time trying to rinse, your hair. So look at my final product. Look how smooth it looks like. Now it is ready, and I'm going to use lukewarm water because I want to form a paste that is so not that thick, just, something like yogurt kind of. So I'm going to use lukewarm water. You can use yogurt. You can mix the powders with yogurt. And also, you can use, if you don't want to use yogurt, you can also use your conditioner. But it will depend with the kind of conditioner that you have, because sometimes you might have used herbs like, let's say, Ina. So when you use Ina on your powders, don't use protein conditioner. Use, I don't know how to say it, but just ensure that you use a conditioner that will balance with your powders, okay? In fact, you can also use aloe vera gel to create hydrating mask. So avoid mixing strong proteins, as I have said, like henna, with protein-based conditioners. So for me, I'm going to use this Mikala hair conditioner. This is what now I'm going to mix together with my already made mask. So this is what I'm going to apply. So ensure that you know your herbs, because some herbs are very drying, so understand what you are mixing. So I'm going to add my conditioner, as you can see here, and then I'm going to mix because I want to form something so smooth. And so I can say that adding conditioner can create a moisturizing paste that is easier to apply and also rinse. So I'm mixing, as you can see, I'm mixing my conditioner with my paste. And after I'm done, I'm also going to put some few drops of my hair growth oil. Yeah, this is actually I can say my final paste. If I want, I can apply it like this directly on my hair. But now I choose to add my hair growth oil. And this is my hair growth oil. And I'm going to put some few drops of this oil. I mix, and then after, my hair mask will be ready, and then we will be applying it on we are not going to apply it on my hair, but I'm going to apply it on my sister's hair. So continue watching the video. I will show you how I'm going to apply it on her hair. So her hair is already freshly washed and clean. So this is the hair that we are going to apply the paste. As you can see, guys, by the way, this is my sister. She is on her hair growth journey too. This is her current hair length, and this is how her hair is. She's on mini braids. Yeah. So let's apply the paste now on her hair. So we are going to wait for like 30 minutes or 1 hour and then we rinse off. So finally we are done rinsing, and this is how finally the hair looks like. As you can see, she's on a hair growth journey. I started like this and finally I am where I am because of consistency and patience. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to this channel and also to like the video.